amused, you... How do you say it?
Ooh.
Do not fool Ralph, Ed boy.
I ain't touching that.
I was born to be wild.
Losers.